Mom, what did you cook? No, man. Oh, why is it Tanisha? What did you cook? What? Me didn't just cook yesterday. Look in our fridge, you see 2 ice cream tub them. One have rice and peas in there, and the next one have the curry goat in there. About what me just cook yesterday, the 2 big pot, them and y'all come ask me what me cook. Eh? Me look like McDonald's for you to cook every day, so. Like, you're not paying the bill them here, you know. About you want me to burn gas again today. But you could have bright. I know why. Be careful how you share out your food. That is your dinner for tomorrow too. You could have faced, you know, about what me cook. You gonna eat up that the rice and peas there, yeah?